Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Satyabrata clarified that BJP MLAs have not spoken against the current government but were merely expressing sadness over the state's prevailing situation. He made these remarks to the media on the sidelines of the World Hepatitis Day 2026 observance at the Institute of Liver and Digestive Science (ILDS) in Guacatel, Hainokhungnembi. The event was also attended by ILDS Managing Director Dr. Nongthombam Suraj Kumar, Consultant Nephrologist Dr. Naurim Sarat Kumar and Asian Hospital and Research Institute Managing Director Aribam Kinghim Sharma. During his address, Satyabrata highlighted the environmental challenges facing valley districts due to shrinking paddy fields and disappearing open spaces, urging public cooperation with government conservation efforts. Emphasizing the threat of hepatitis, he stressed the vital need for mass awareness campaigns from the village level to eradicate the disease.
We tamizing na tamdan lay tamizing tami haji bela. Masih lay mana sih lay masih kau besar itu baru kau tahu mana lay. Mana ni kaya apa tanda Manipuri atau orang lain 100% sih mana Manipuri boundary system mana sama da tanah 10% morbidity area ini nak pun pada. Pada ni macam lagu ni dah maximum sini kami pun dah lebih ni. Ada normal ilang sini lebih awal saya tu yang mai ada.
Managing Director Dr. N. Suraj Kumar warned that the risk of contracting hepatitis A and E increases when consuming vegetables that have not been washed properly during the rainy season. He advised everyone to get vaccinated against hepatitis A and B, noting that many students and employees working outside the state have been found infected with the virus. As part of the week-long observance, doctors, nurses, staff and volunteers staged an awareness rally from the Kangla Western Gate up to the ILDS campus. Free screenings for hepatitis B and C, non-invasive fibroscan examinations and hepatitis B vaccinations were also provided.
Hepatitis B amasung C gi magi treatment se National Viral Hepatitis Control Program ki makhada akoi akhanaba health center amasung government ki sangsan singda district khudingma ki hairiba laina sigi diagnosis tawgi amasung treatment tawgi facilities loi leireba khwaidagi hena biggest hurdle se ngasi ekoina thambiba theme se viral hepatitis, let's break it down. Let's break it down.